Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told in order to buy a house, a couple takes on a mortgage of $M at an annual rate of R% to be paid off over N months. The equation above is used to determine the monthly payment C that the couple needs to make to pay off the loan. We're asked which of the expressions gives the value of M in terms of C, R, and N. So we're taking this equation, we want to solve for M. This is a pretty complicated expression, but it's C is equal to some fraction times M. Right? And on the numerator of this fraction is r divided by 1200, and then the denominator is 1 minus 1 plus r over 1200 to the negative n. So, if we say a is equal to r over 1200, and b is equal to 1 minus 1 plus r over 1200 to the negative n, so a is equal to the numerator, b is equal to the denominator, we can say c is equal to a over b times m. Now we can solve for m a lot easier, and then when we need to give our final answer, we can just plug these values back in. So we have C is equal to A times M over B. If we multiply both sides by B, we have B times C is equal to, and then these cancel, so AM. We want to get M on its own, so divide by A. These cancel, and we have M is equal to BC divided by A. So we need to plug back in B and A. So B is 1 minus 1 plus r over 1200 to the negative n. And this is over A, r over 1200. And this is times C, which we don't have to change. So we have M is equal to 1 minus 1 plus r over 1200 to the negative n over r over 1200 times C. And this is going to line up with answer C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.